Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by making sure your iPhone supports True Tone and the ambient light sensor isn't blocked. Once done, open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and look for True Tone. Tap the toggle to enable it immediately. You're doing this to let the display match surrounding light automatically, which reduces color cast and eye strain. If you want a quick comparison, toggle it off and on to see the warmer or cooler shift. That first toggle is the fastest action to begin. Once True Tone is enabled, verify its effect with a neutral test image or gray web page so you can see subtle shifts. You'll also adjust brightness because True Tone modifies white balance in response to ambient light. Increase or decrease brightness and note the color change. Make sure night shift is off for a pure comparison, and be aware low power mode can affect adaptive features. If colors look odd in certain rooms, move to where lighting is consistent, and to finish, confirm True Tone remains enabled and that night shift is off when testing. If the display still looks wrong, restart your iPhone to reset sensor calibration and system settings. Make sure the ambient light sensor area is clean and not covered by a case or thick screen protector, because physical obstruction often causes inconsistent color shifts. If problems persist, update iOS and, as a last resort, contact Apple support, but cleaning and restarting solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.